Hi there. Want to earn with Jalil.store? Here's how to become a vendor in just a few minutes. Part 3. Another important setting you need to check is your account details. Go to My Account from the top menu, then open Account Details. Here, you can set your default currency. By default, it's USD. But if you want to enter your product prices in other currencies, you can change it here. Now go back to your vendor dashboard. You'll see different tabs. Home tab shows the main details about your store. Media tab. Here you can see all your uploaded media. We recommend using WEBP format. Add Product tab. I will explain this part in the next section. Orders tab. You can manage all your orders from here. Payment tab. This is where you can request withdrawals and receive your money. Next is the Coupons tab. Here, you can create discount codes for your customers and share them with your Instagram followers or any audience you want. Then you have the Refunds tab, where you can manage refund requests. Next is the Add to My Store tab. This feature is extremely useful for vendors. Let's say you have a product similar to one already available in the marketplace, but with different pricing or different variations. You don't need to create the product from scratch, just add it to your store. It will be saved as a draft, and you can edit the parts you want before submitting it. This saves you a lot of time. In the Ledger book, you can see all your financial data. In the Reports tab, you can view detailed analytics and performance reports for your store. Next is the Reviews tab. Only customers who have actually purchased your product can leave a review, which helps prevent fake reviews and keeps everything fair.